good?
I practice 2 times a day. I've been practicing for about 2 years now, 3 times a day. One in the morning, one in the evening.
Amazing.
I find this really easy, but when I just got into it, the Rubik's Cube, I didn't know what to do. It was really hard, but now it's quite easy.
Do you hope to be a world champion?
Yes,
Yeah?
that's my new step.
And how old are you at the moment?
10.
You're 10 and you can already solve it in about a minute or so.
My
That
record
is
was 49 seconds.
49 seconds is your record. That's incredibly amazing. Well done, Nikita. Excellent.